So here we go. All built up. It took me. Oh, by the way, this is for the motherfucker yesterday who had his little piece of scratch. Look at that bad boy. Not going to need that anymore. Right. So this is the Mirka butt plug. Okay. Slots straight into the Titan like an absolute glove. There we go. Get them big fingers in there. That's what she said anyway. Okay, we're in. So, on and off. Up for on, 2 down is for the outlet. So you switch your sander on off, switches are on and off. Quick run down underneath. That's the bag inside and the filter. So obviously change that round and put the mesh on for the wet and dry. And we've got here our cord for the Mirka, straight in, bish bash bosh, piece of scratch. So switch her on and we'll have a do. Obviously the bottom of the wall there, we can know if there's any residue that's come off the wall. That's a bit that I've just done. And there's a nice lovely vinyl fucking silk finish. Cunt. Absolutely mustard. Zero dust. 75 quid. Plus whatever the Mirka was. I think they're what, £20? Boom.